Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating Raspberry Pi based room illumination control system, nothing but automatic room automation. So here we are going to controlling the light and the fan with the help of three sensors. One sensor is PIR sensor and another is LM35, this is temperature sensor, and another is LDR, light dependent resistor. So whenever the person will be detected by this PIR sensor, the LDR will intimate give the input to the Raspberry Pi like the light presents. If the light is low then and the person is present, then automatically the light will be on. And if the temperature is high and the person should be there in the room, and then fan will be on. So in order to control this light, two inputs, one person indication and light sensor, light level should be low. Coming to the fan, temperature high and person presence. If temperature high, person is not there, then this will not be controlled, this will not be on. So whenever the temperature is settled down and the person is not person is there, and the motor will not be on. Okay, so and one more like condition also is there, whenever the temperature is high and person is present, so then the motor will be on. If the person is at that time he went outside, automatically if the temperature high also, the motor will be off. These are the conditions while executing the project in stepwise. So when you switch on the sketch, just give the adapter power supply, provide adapter to the supply, and switch on the kit. Then it will take some time for booting this Raspberry Pi, and after some time, so these two light and fan will be on and off two times. So after some time, around of 10 to 15 seconds after booting was successfully done. And here in this project we have the different kinds of PCB boards. So one second. So like this it will be done two times. So once these two are automatically on and off two times, initially the whole circuit got initialized. Okay, and coming to this board description, so let us will explain the we'll give the demonstration. So this is the PIR sensor, and from this one we are going to give the output of ground, positive, negative. So this is output red color and brown is a positive one. And coming to the temperature sensor, same, plus, minus, and the output. And coming to the LDR, so the two pins, resisting pins. And this board is a transistor board, so in order to control this fan. And so this board is nothing but breadboard kind of connections. Parallelly we are going to give the power supply from the 5 volts to this board, and from anywhere you can get the 5 volts, as well as these connections will be parallelly getting input to the this board. So this board is nothing but A to D converter, so it will convert the analog signals. Like in the system we have the two analog sensors, one thing is LDR and the thing is temperature sensor. And default this Raspberry Pi doesn't have the A to D converter, so externally we are implementing that, and this analog data is given to this sensor board, and this will convert that analog and will give the data to the Raspberry Pi, and this Raspberry Pi will control these two devices. And coming to this board, this is the electromagnetic relay. So this is the LED indication on the relay board. This is a relay, and diode is for to remove the ripples while we are going to control the relay. So let us see the output demonstration. Whenever the person presents, so right till now I'm covered the LDR sensor with the cap. So till now I presented over there. So after some time, so it will take 10 to 30 seconds after the person is not there, the PIR sensor will give the input. So like this, so it will be off, and whenever the person is entered here, and automatically on, and after some time as usually it will be off. If light also presents, then automatically it will be off. And for every motion we need to, for every sensor input we need to give the personal input. And just I'm going to increase the temperature. While increasing the temperature, right, so, and temperature will be settled down, automatically fan got switched off. Thank you.